Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at Squirrel Park. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all, so I'm back out here with one of my throwbacks. I'm back out here with this guy. And so I just flew this guy a few videos ago or whatnot, but I'm back out here with it again because somebody in the comments let me know that this thing should have an OSD already on it. And so I just didn't have the OSD set up. And so I've corrected that, so now it has OSD and all. But I'm not out here to fly this thing FPV. I'm really out here to fly it line of sight, but I will include some video from the video feed so you guys can see the OSD and all. But I plan to just do some line of sight. I might do some FPV, but let's get this guy up in the air. I like the way these larger buzzers sound pretty cool. See if I can get this guy linked up in the goggle. Okay, so let's try to do some. Okay, we got it recording. Get it up in the air. A little cold out here. So the battery is crying on me. The battery can't be dead though. I was charging this thing up and it's at full capacity. Oh! And I got my rates too low to really pull off a double spin, but looks like no damage. Let's try to get him up in the air. Gotta go up higher for that. Yeah, I gotta turn the rates up on this guy. Sheesh. Sorry, battery. You're gonna have to take all of this. Okay, let me bring it in. This is one of my favorite batteries. So let me not kill it. Let's see if I have another battery to switch to. Alright, y'all, I got another battery to try. And I'm gonna try to do some FPV with it. Old 3S that I have. Hopefully this does a little better. Try to adjust the focus on this thing. Okay, try some FPV. This battery's trying to cry a little bit too. tell me this thing is recording. Bring it back over here. Hopefully it's recording. And so the OSD is working for this guy. And so what I did was I upgraded this, updated it, I guess that would be an update to 4.4 Betaflight. The Betaflight version on this guy is now 4.4, so all of the newer filters and everything is in here, so it flies a lot better now, a little more smooth and everything. It seemed like it had a lot of vibrations before in the last video, and I was suspecting that it was maybe these props. It might even be the props. They might be a little off balanced, maybe, but the filters cleaned that up really good, so this thing flies really smooth and everything. I gotta come out here with a better battery maybe so I can fly this guy around without it making noise out in the cold here. The cold usually does numbers on batteries, lipos anyhow, but I think maybe these batteries are a little old, and maybe that's why they don't stand up as well as other batteries probably would, a newer battery, to this cold weather. But anyhow, that's a quick flight, line of sight and FPV on Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching, y'all.